Hi everyone! So for today's video, it's going to be something very quick and simple. It's just going to be a tip on how to turn regular sized yarn into chunky yarn. Sometimes you want to make like a chunky braid, a chunky chain, etc. And you don't have the chunky yarn, so I will show you how to do that. You're simply going to grab your yarn, tip like so, place it, and then you're going to fold it a second time and fold it a third time. See how it's like a zigzag shape right there? That's 3 times that it's been folded. And you're gonna grab it right here by where the loose tip is, the beginning of it, and you're going to make a slip knot. Simply just, you can do it with your hands, or you could do it using a hook, whichever is more comfortable for you. Just adjust it to size. And this is going to be your tail, and this will be your working yarn. So you're going to then grab all 3 strands and start chaining as usual. Continue. And when you notice that you start getting to the end of this, you're simply going to just grab the loop and pull yarn through as long as you desire it. And then you just continue chaining. And just make sure that every time you're getting to the end of that loop, that you go ahead and you pull through. And you keep extending it. That way you don't run out until you reach the desired length of the chain that you're creating. And just continue on, and look how beautiful that is. I'll go all the way to the end just so you can see how I do a refill. So right here, see, I'm reaching the end. I'm gonna grab the loop. Sorry, I'm having trouble recording myself. I'm gonna pull this yarn right through the loop, see? And you continue making your chain. And that is how you make chunky yarn out of regular sized yarn. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. And just please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you'd like to see any tips or any tutorials, please feel free to comment them down below, and I will do my best in order to create a step-by-step tutorial for you. Thank you. Bye.